February 14th was our 1-year live-aboard anniversary. We knew little of winds, tides, and current then. Our knowledge of the nautical world was pieced together from books, YouTube videos, and movies. Now, when we're on land, we can't help but pay attention to shifts in the wind. It's like having a sixth sense. If you followed our videos so far, you know that our first offshore attempt was cut short. Now, we try again. We're leaving for the South Pacific. It's a lot of miles in empty waters, but we are ready. Because we can't afford new sails, we left our current ones in the hands of a sailmaker here in La Paz, to have them restitched. Weird to be able to walk the full length of your sails. The sailmaker noted the points that would need to be reinforced. We left Pino's wings in his care and boarded a plane for Montreal. It will be a long time until we can see our friends and family next, so we booked a flight there before making the jump across the Pacific. Montreal is as cold as ever in winter. From La Paz, it was a 40-degree shift. Our time there was short. It did momentarily rekindle our hatred for snow. And anyways, Montreal always looks beautiful blanketed in fresh snow. Flying back to La Paz, we went to pick up our sails and raise them again with the help of Davin's sister and cousin. Having visitors made leaving Canada less difficult. We visited all the places we love in town. Big Sur Coffee, Nomada too. All places we'll miss once we leave. We also had our friend Tanya over. Now I know how to not mispronounce Spanish words like vaya and piloncillo. After all of our visitors left, we went into full crossing mode. We attended Pacific Puddle Jump meetings in town, which helped answer some of our questions. We also started to make daily runs for food. We're planning to have stores aboard for a few months. Some things are not readily available in French Polynesia, like soy milk and oats. We carried our backpacks full of food around through crowds, all while Carnaval was happening. Carnaval lasts 6 days. During that time, the Malecon is full of street vendors selling their wares, parade floats with music and brightly colored costumes. They even built full-size amusement park rides just for the event. The streets were bursting with people. On a sadder note, we are finally parting ways with our good friends Kim and Claudia. We've traveled many miles together. Not sure we would have had the guts to sail out of Nia Bay in August without them there with us. We will miss them a lot. To celebrate our time together, we went out for drinks. It was a good way to end our time here in Mexico. Drinks, friends, and folly. Through all of this, we managed to release Oconi for all desktop platforms. Android will be next. We will be on the water for at least a month while we transit towards the South Pacific. Our next video will be delayed as a result of that. And as always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally.
Non?
Si je veux que Jess a l'air derp, juste ressortir une caméra, puis paf.
Derp, c'est genre automatique.
Insta derp.
Elise n'est pas Insta derp pas tout.
Ça pique?